This here is the chair, and it's made out of the same 500D Cordura nylon, and the aluminum alloy construction of the tubes is the same, a 775. Here's the framework here. I'm just going to let that all snap into place. Make sure they're all seated in there well. There we go. And now, this is the seat. There's one place here you can put a morale patch if you like. And I know that's going to be the top. So I'm going to put the bottom in first. And the way that works is there's a little pocket in here that the tube fits into. So this here is that pocket. It's reinforced as well. I'm going to stick that right in there. I'll go to the other side and do the same. This is a lot easier if it's sitting down but doing it up here. But I'm just going to pull that over to there, and now I can take the top sides and pull that up into place. It takes some effort to put that in there, and then lastly the last one. But it does take some effort to put those in there. Right there. Now the chair is all set up. Now I made sure that's pushed down and I set down in that easy because you're in snow right now. Don't have a whole lot of snow out here, but that can, you know, put an added pressure on those legs instead of them sitting firm on the ground, because it's going to try to spread them more and so on, or it could. So there you go. I have a really nice spot that I can move this out here, which is a better spot for me. Move this around, level it up. There we go. And now I can cook or boil my water, cook a meal, whichever. And I'll tell you, after you've been on your feet, you know, for a while, it's very nice to be able to sit down, but to be able to have a backrest, it's a very comfortable chair. Now that we're all set up, it's time to get the tea on the go. Now I'm going to leave a link also where you can check this out, all the specs, the weight on it and such. I don't remember seeing a weight on how much it will, the maximum weight. I don't remember seeing that. It may be there, but I'll leave the link down below where you can check it out. Now what I'm going to do is make my tea.